And the major averages posting solid gains for the year despite staggering since Christmas. The question ahead, economically at least, for the coming year, well, what's it going to be like? How's the economy going to fare? Here's ABC's Andrew Dimbert.
This morning, some experts predict the U.S. economy will remain strong in the new year despite a rocky end to 2024 on Wall Street.
Unemployment should remain low. The economy should remain, at least in the aggregate, on solid fundamentals.
The annual stock surge normally seen in the final days of December, known as the Santa Claus rally, is skipping this year. Yesterday, the Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ all ended down for the third day in a row.
Yes, we're used to seeing green this time of year, but ultimately I think we're losing a little bit of momentum going into 2025.
Experts say the U.S. economy performed better than expected overall in 2024. Retail sales topped estimates month after month. The average price for a gallon of gas is down slightly from the start of the year, and the GDP remains strong. This all coming despite uncertainty around the presidential election, a cooling labor market, and elevated interest rates. Inflation is expected to remain an issue for consumers in the new year. The Federal Reserve is planning just 2 rate cuts in the coming months as it attempts to bring prices under control. With a new administration just weeks away and major policy changes on the horizon, experts predict the economic growth to continue.
Depends a lot on economic policy under the new Trump administration. We do get broad-based tariffs. That's going to raise prices for all kinds of imported goods, from groceries to clothing to cars to consumer electronics. And if there is widespread deportation, that is going to make it pretty tough on businesses and industries where the job market is very tight.
Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.